Complete the following two-column proof. Given that AD is parallel to BC and DE is congruent to CE, we would like to prove that triangle AED is congruent to triangle BEC. So let's start by filling in the given, which is AD is parallel to BC, and that DE is congruent to CE. That's our given. We're trying to prove that triangle AED is congruent to triangle BEC. And let's go and mark up our triangle as well. So we know that DE is congruent to CE, and we also know that AD is parallel to CB. And the second that we talk about parallel here, we've got angle D is congruent to angle C. I totally overlooked that. That's filled in for us. The reason that angle D and angle C are congruent to each other goes back to that parallel lines, which is two parallel lines cut by the transversal, then alternate interior angles are congruent. So that's the reason why here. Alternate interior angles are congruent. What else we know about this picture that's bow tie looking like is we know that this angle and this angle are congruent. So we can say that angle AED is congruent to triangle BCE. Got that wrong. Let me try that again. AED and then BEC. Messed up the order there, and the order is important because we need that middle angle to be the E, angle BEC. But what we notice in here is that we have vertical angles. Those two angles are vertical angles. They're opposite angles. Vertical angles are congruent. And then finally, we can state why these two triangles are congruent. And what we have is we have an angle, an included side, and an angle. In our other triangle, we have an angle, an included side, and an angle. So our two triangles are congruent because of angle, side, angle.